trying to make some chicken salad. It's been the story of our life this week. These holes are about 10 inches deep. It's about 6 or 7 inches more than we need, so we're trying to patch them. These bricks are busted and concrete's going to go everywhere, so Josh is mixing up some pour rock. Just trying to do a little bit of filling, and then we'll put some sleeves in. Hopefully not waste a bunch of concrete. to mix that up, a little bit of water, and I call it pour rock. And you can see we've got our sleeves in here, but what we do, we leave those sleeves a 1/2 inch short from the top of the hole. So we fill that with concrete. Then we also, what's left of where we core drill, these were actually pre-drilled, a little bit bigger than normal. We drill 3.5 inch holes, which allows a 3-inch piece of PVC pipe to sleeve it. We duct tape the bottom, and that keeps all the pour rock concrete from running out because there's so many holes underneath here. Brick's really bad about it. Solid concrete's your best bet, but can't always drill in that. So we leave this short, and what that does, that allows the pour rock to come up flush with the top, fill over in these voids, and that kind of locks it all together, and then we're nice and flush. You don't see the PVC. This one's going to be a pain. We had to drill this one again to get it all to line up. That's why I always prefer to drill the holes after we've actually built the rails. This one here is not exactly lining up. We can pull it a little bit. Might have to ream that hole out too, just a little bit. Other than that, they should everything should line up. These are all straight over here, so should be close. We dry fit those before we powder coated.